Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're not, you already know what to do. Make sure you are subscribed too, okay? So guys, the tweed out is done, okay? We're ready to restyle, okay? We did bantu knots, we did tweed out, and now for today's video we're gonna do a 3-strand twist out, okay? So this has been highly requested. Tweed out was highly requested. 3-strand twist out was highly requested, so I'm knocking them off my list, and today we're gonna tackle 3-strand twist out, okay? So as you guys can see, since the bantu knots and the tweed outs, I still have yet to wash my hair, okay? I'm trying to get this hair to last me as long as I can. It's not too dirty. As you guys can see, I have no flakes. My hair doesn't feel dry. I mean, it feels dry. It does feel dry, but it doesn't feel like dry and matted. Like, it doesn't feel like that dry to where you need to go in the shower, wash and detangle type of dry. So yeah, I'm going to restyle it for this week, and then I will be washing after this hairstyle, okay? So yes, I am going to be restyling my hair. I'll be restyling this old tweed out into 3-strand twist, okay? So that is the plan for this video, and I think I want to do like chunkier size 3-strand twist. I don't want to do anything too tiny or too small because my hair still is, even though it's not like really stretched out, it's semi-stretched, okay, because we do have water and moisture and products in it already. Getting into the products for this video, since we are on semi-stretched hair, I do not want to use anything too water-based, but with that being said, we are going to be using some water-based, okay? So here's what I have in mind, right? So my hair is dry, it does need moisture and hydration. So I'm going to be using the Kera Moisturizing Coco Water with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, and this is really used to like refresh your wash and goes. It's like this water mixture with like coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil that Kera released, and I actually really like it for replenishing my curls and adding extra moisture and hydration. That's not necessarily water, but it is water based, okay? So we're gonna do a few sprays of this because my hair needs the hydration, and then we're gonna be using something that's extremely non-water based, which is this African shea butter, okay? So this is 100% natural African shea butter, and yeah, this is gonna give us that definition that we're looking for. It's gonna give us that oil, it's gonna give us that moisture, it's gonna give us that softness, okay? So yeah, I'm super excited to see how this 3-strand twist out is gonna turn out because I know the definition is going to go crazy. Okay, so yeah, there's nothing left to be said. Let's go ahead and jump into this hairstyle. Alright, so like I said, these 3-strand twists are going to be larger sized. So yeah, this is about how big my section is. Now I'm applying my shea butter. Make sure I get it all over. All right, so that is the first section. When you get to the ends, it's okay to 2-strand twist as you get down lower and like your hair starts to run out. It's okay to just regularly twist. You don't have to keep the 3 strands all the way down. It'll all blend together when you unravel, okay? So I'm going to take just a little bit of this Kera Moisturizing Healthy Edges Edge Control, and I'm going to use that to make sure the front is slicked down, because you guys can see my roots aren't super, my roots are a little bit puffy, but I want the front to be really sleek and maintained and tie in the whole look. So I am going to use a little bit of edge control. So I'm going to spray my product first. Apply my shea butter. Then I'm applying my edge control at the root and on the ends. And then I'll just carry it down and start twisting. All right, guys, so all of my 3-strand twists are in. So I plan on leaving these in for 2 days. So today is what, Monday? I'm taking these out on Wednesday, okay? So I'll be back once they are dry. All right, so it is Wednesday and it's time to take out my 3-strand twists. So I did end up stretching them yesterday because I did have a lot of shrinkage. All I really do is I just take them, twist them into 2 buns, and literally I use a clip and I clip it here, and I do the same on this side and I clip it here, and that stretches them out. So that's my stretching method for twists. Super simple, super easy. Now let's get into this unraveling. So to unravel these twists, I'll be using Kera's Curl Essence Moisturizing Oil Cocktail, and I'll be putting this on my fingertips to help me gently separate my 3-strand twist. All right, so all of my 3-strand twists are out. I keep wanting to say twaids because of my last video. I keep wanting to say all my twaids are out. It's 3-strand twists. Get it together, Ari. Now you guys know it's time to separate and fluff. So, like I said in my twaid out video, when I go to fluff twist out, I turn into a frizzy mess. So I'm going to just gently pick at the roots, and I'm going to pick inside the hair. So I'll show you guys. You guys can see the difference. This one's a little bit more filled in, more body, more away from the head, whereas this is whoop. Ooh, and I love the way that this turned out. So you guys can see how much shrinkage I had. And then once you stretch it out, you can see that the length starts to come back in as you pick it out. So I'm definitely feeling hair on my shoulders, hair on my neck. So this hair actually turned out so much better than I thought it would. My hair looks incredibly healthy. It looks so shiny, bouncy. I have body, I have length. Like y'all, with the whole outfit, it is a look. And my hair is just gonna grow and grow and grow over the next few days. So I'm excited to see how I'm excited to see how these curls are going to end up stretching out. But this 3-strand twist out, this is the best one yet that I have done, okay? So I'm super pleased with the results. The combo turned out great. The shea butter, Kera Coco Water combination, amazing. It gave me a really good hydration, and you guys can see my hair just looks amazing. I'm sorry, it just looks good. It looks good. So thank you guys for tuning into this 3-strand twist out tutorial. I hope it taught you something, and I hope that you guys try this product combo. You know, sometimes it's the simplest combos that can give you the best results, okay? So thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.